So when you come in, everybody celebrates. I told you that when you leave office and come back, you know that the people appreciate you. And tomorrow is the day we'll show you that appreciation. So please, we invite everyone. And on the 29th will be the first and the real anniversary. We had to start with God in this service. We'll be at Uyo Stadium. And we please ask as many people as can come to show up. Let us do that celebration. And I'll give my anniversary speech then. And we now attempt to see the things we are trusting God for the second year. Your Excellency, we are here today in this building that God gave you the vision to put together. Today, Akwa Ibom has an altar where we can gather that can take everybody to praise God. And it is one of the visions that God gave to you. And opposite this building is the 21-story Dakkada Towers, about the tallest building in the South-South. You called it Dakkada Towers. By the authority conferred on me as the governor of Akwa Ibom State, I renamed the tower today Udom Emmanuel Towers, so that we can put your name on these towers. You had named the airport after Obong Atta. You had named the stadium after Obong Goswill Akpabio. Today, as the governor of Akwa Ibom State, I named this 21-story edifice after you and for the work you have done in Akwa Ibom. So the towers will no more be called Dakkada Towers, but will now be called and addressed as the Udom Emmanuel Towers. Thank you so much. Thank you, our fathers. Thank you so much. God bless you.